Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making some Thinking of You cards. My mom lives in this high-rise for seniors, and they give out cards for everything. So she asked me if I would make cards. So I said, of course, but I'm going to make, I have everything cut to make 5 of each card. I'm going to make one on camera and make all the rest off camera so you can see all of the different versions. I also stamped my logo on the back of all of the cards. So we're going to get started. This is some copper paper from Michaels, and I'm just going to grab 3 of the same copper dots. These are from Echo Park, and it's the Dots and Stripes collection. This is obviously the Dots, or is it Cartabella? I think it's Cartabella. It feels like Cartabella. So I'm just going to lay my papers down. I'm going to put this one on next, the end one. Like so. I tried to be very cognizant of the papers I was using. Like I'm making 5 of each design, so 15 total. I thought that was a good number for Thinking of You cards, and only 5 of them are floral. The rest are more like this. And then I have this Thinking of You circle that I'm just, you know what I'm going to do? Since these aren't going to be mailed out, I'm going to pop this up. I'm going to pop it up. Since they just get hand delivered. So what happens is they put a card, if something happens, if it's someone's birthday, or like my mom losing my grandmother, losing her mom, they put a card on the table for people to sign. I've seen it when I've walked past. So I guess when my mom got a card, I don't know how I got brought up, but look at that. I think that is nice and simple. And then we're just going to take the pin out. We're going to take the pin out and then glue this mat down. Look how good that looks. I think that looks fantastic. It's a nice Thinking of You card. Nice shine. I did not put anything on the inside to give more room for signatures. It's a big building. I'm going to put the rest together and I'll be back. Okay, I just thought I would show you quick that when I mass make cards, I set everything up. I cut everything, I pre-cut everything, and then I set everything up that now all I have to do is glue down, put these on, and then put them on the card base. And that is how anytime I mass make, this is how I do it. I just thought I'd pop in and show you in case you were wondering how I mass make cards. Okay, here they are. That's it, 5 of those. And by the way, I used this Dollar Tree stamp, the Thinking of You on this Dollar Tree stamp for this one. And it only took me a half an hour to cut and prep and find everything I needed to make these cards, so it did not take long. Let's move on to the next one. The next one are these floral, the only floral ones that I have. And I have all of everything all ready to go. Like I said, it's 5. So let's pull out 5 card bases, 5 strips that say Thinking of You, and 5 pairs of, let me match them up. They go this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So 5 pairs of So it's going to look like that. And I think I might have cut these too big. We will see. So that'll go there and here. And then, yeah, I cut them. That's fine. I just came up with the numbers off the top of my head. So it's not that big of a deal. And it'll look like that, I think. Let me figure it out. Okay, I figured it out. So I cut the Thinking of You smaller. And when I was putting it together, because I'm dumb and cut the papers wrong, but it's fine. We're all fine here. I could actually cut this down smaller, but I'm not going to. But what I am going to do is pop this up and give it a little bit of dimension, is what I'm going to do. That is what I'm going to do. That way I'm putting it on, I don't know. Listen, I don't know. I don't know. I thought I did the math right on my drawings, but I obviously didn't. But it's fine. We're going to just pivot. We're going to pivot. See, here are my drawings, and I thought I did the math right, but I did not. So we're just gonna pivot. We're gonna pivot and change how we're doing it, and I think this will be okay. By the way, this is the Botanical Garden, I think it's called, paper set. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm just going to leave a little bit of a gap on this one. So we'll see. We'll see how it looks. We shall see. Just a tiny bit of a gap, and then where's the, here it is. The Thinking of You, and I'm going to put a little piece of double stick tape right here because it goes down to the other layer. And just, oh, help if I had glue, you guys. Glue would be oh so helpful. And then just that. I actually kind of like it in person, so we're gonna go with it. We're gonna go with it. We'll just pivot and change how we're doing something. It's fine. You can do that if you mess up. You don't have to recut everything. There you go. Now you've seen what happens if I screw up. And that is what happens if I screw up. I just pivoted. And you know what? In person it actually looks really good. I'll be back. I'm going to finish putting the other ones together. Okay, and here are all of these cards. There you go. There you go. Sorry about that. That's all of those, and then we'll move on to the last ones, which I have 5 more card bases, 5 more mats, pieces, and words. And what we're going to do is just take and then I think I'm also going to pop that up. So let's do that. Like so. Let's maybe take one of them. That would be helpful. Instead of the entire stack, and glue these on. So these are cut to, oh, I should have told you what everything was cut to. I didn't even think about it. These are 3 3/4 by 2 inches. So I cut a 3 3/4 by 4 inch piece and then cut it in half at 2. And these are 3 3/4 by 1 inch. Okay, and these are 3 3/4 by 5 cut in half, and then just a piece. And these are 1 1/8 by 5. Okay? Also, I used this Avery Elle, old Avery Elle stamp set for the Thinking of You on the floral cards. All right, there we go. Little housekeeping. Great. And, oh, ay, ay, ay. We already did that part. And this is also random cardstock that I had in my stash. That's all the base is. And then this is the stripes from the Dots and Stripes. And I used this May May Made It Say It Friendly stamp for the Thinking of You. All right, I'll finish these up and be back. Okay, and these are the rest of these cards. This one I cut, no, not this one, or is it? This one I cut different. It's okay though. Not everyone's getting the same card, you know what I mean? So here we go. The 15 cards we made for this video. Like, I love them. I think they turned out great. You let me know down below what you think. How did they turn out? I think they turned out wonderful. And I started at 9, so a little after 9. I think it was like 10 after 9 I started. So it took me an hour and 20 minutes to cut, stamp, and put all of these together. Plus, I'll subtract the 10 minutes for making this video, because if I wouldn't be talking to you guys, it would have taken me way less time. So there you go. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next crafty video. By the way, coming up will be happy birthday cards for the high rise also, but that'll probably be next month. I'm not going to make them for this month. That'll be for next month. So you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next crafty video.